This is the view from our place.
Two hearts finding where to meet.
It's super cold.
Life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the
Hi guys, my name is Rajiv and this is my new life in Ladakh. I manage a small cafe over here, surrounded by mountains, cool weather, a small kitchen garden, and complete silence.
before the quiet and the score?
I came all the way from Goa to manage this place, and the reality is like something very different.
And today I'm going to start cleaning everything all by myself.
If only for a moment. I've been up since 3, scrolling back what we used to be.
It's really cold and my hands are like freezing and there's no stuff right now. And I have to do everything by myself.
Still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet.
So I have to be very careful with the thumbprint so that it doesn't hurt anyone.
And your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. Rolling thunder, calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh. Oh, midnight highway, shining just like sin. Why don't you hear me wonder?
You know, I didn't imagine this when I came over here. But maybe this is how it starts. It's like you build it slowly, even when no one is watching. You build it slowly, even when no one is watching you. Now, the restaurant looks really good. Have a look. And tomorrow, I'll try to bring some customers over here. And let's see if this cafe can survive in this cold.
Little lost man ride.
Phew, it's freezing out here.
Why don't you hear me
But look at this view. The view is like awesome.
Fare you well, darling. Ain't coming
And right over there, that's Lama Yuru Monastery. That's the monastery. Sometimes I feel like going back, and sometimes I feel like staying and build something here. This place is nice. It's not just the temperature, even the business feels cold right now. Tomorrow, I'll try to bring some customers over here. And let's see if this cafe can survive in this cold. And this is my life in Ladakh.